Here's a quick lesson about psalms, hymns, and spiritual songs. In general, and there are some exceptions, but it's safe to say psalms are songs sung to God. Hymns, Hymns, are basically about Him, Him. And spiritual songs are about life from a biblical perspective. What is a song that's going through your mind in the middle of the night when you're unable to sleep? Is it something that's bringing praise to God? Or is it something that's against biblical values? Or maybe it's neutral. The purpose of our ministry is to help you keep your focus on God. For Christian music suggestions and to help you understand God's purpose for Christian music in your life, check out our website, thechristianmusicchallenge.com.